And there you have it, the end of another amazing year. 2022 seems to have went by so quickly. This has been a year of development and change for me. It's been absolutely stunning. I've worked with some amazing people who are really passionate about design and really want to do the best they can for their clients. So look, I wanted to wish everyone an amazing Christmas. I really hope you have a great break. Spend that quality time with your family, recharge the batteries and get well rested and ready for 2023. I have some amazing plans for next year. I can't wait to share that. And make sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, because that is going to be a key part of it. So I'm really looking forward to next year. But for now, it's to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a very peaceful New Year. And I'll leave you with this concept design to bring you in to the festive period. Happy Christmas, everyone.